Greetings, my friends. We're going to talk today about best practices. Why best practices are important. In this book, I've written the first chapter, introduction, the best practice, which help us to implement the prevailing best practice from other industry. We can bring it back to our place. Again, we have to be cautioned that we have to make changes based on your environment, how you can implement those. So best practices are any practice which makes things better, what the way you have been doing it. That's a best practice. Over the years, we have mastered that terminology, how to do best practice. Like back in 1966 Olympics, they came up first time they did a high jump backwards, and that became a best practice since then. Similarly, in our industrial base, we have been doing a lot of good practices, and which supplies us, delivers us a better result. That's a best practice.